Hi guys, it's me King Anwar from Perfect Techland. I hope guys you are doing well. Today our topic how to solve your connection private problem on Google. It is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. Sometimes we will see that when we open some websites or Google show that your connection is not private. So today we learn that how to solve that problem. So it is very easy, very simple. You just stay with me. I will tell you step by step. First of all, you open your Google Chrome browser. Here on the upper side, you see three dots. Click on three dots, and here you go on the history. Here you clear all your browsing data. Here you select the time range, like if you want to remove your browsing data last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all times. So here I select all time, and then I so as you see that my data has been clear. So there is a second solution for you. You go on the control panel. I just applied it. Here you see the view category. So here you select the small icon. When you select the small icon, here you got many options. Here you select the network and sharing center. And here you select the second option, change adapter setting. So I just maximize it. Here you select that network which your computer has been connected. So here I select this network, and then go to properties. So when I go to properties, here I select the fourth one option, internet protocol version 4, and here I go on the properties. Here I select use the following DNS server. So here I got two boxes. In first one I type here 8, 8, and on the second box I type 8, 8, 4, 4. Then I press OK. So by doing that, your problem will be solved. I hope guys this video will be helpful for you. So if you think that this video will be informative for you, so please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel Perfect Techland. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video.